Another new project done means new beginning to our clients. Hello everyone, my name is Elena. I'm from Lehem Interiors and welcome to our newly completed villa that we worked in collaboration with our sister company, La Casa Living. So this is how the villa looked like the first time we came. As you can see, there are lots of white, huge walls, lots of natural light as well. So immediately I knew I wanted to add more warmth to the space, adding more colors too in a modern and contemporary approach. So enough of the intro, I'm excited to show you guys how everything turned out. So the moment you enter, you can literally see through the living area, and this corridor here has a step down. That's why we've added these slats for safety purposes. I also really like the effect it gives off because it kind of gives you a sneak peek of the living room, so you have a bit of an element of surprise there, because who doesn't want surprises? We've added a marble console table, decorated the wall with this really nice mirror, and added a few accessories here and there, so anyone who walks through this corridor gets an experience of the space. And now guys, you need to see the living room. I'd say the living area is my absolute favorite part of this house because it just feels so cozy that you feel like it gives you a warm hug. And we've used the colors of tan and beige hues, as you can see in the upholstery, and mixed that with different layers of textures. The rug is patterned with different colors in it, not the usual plain rugs that we mostly see in living areas. We chose this one because it just creates more warmth in the space, because this area is huge and also with a double volume and lots of natural light coming in, which of course we really like, but we still have to balance that with correct elements so we can be able to achieve the ambience that we want. This olive tree and the massive TV unit with black and wood colors really help us achieve the warmth that we want to get. And it also really complements this gorgeous chandelier. Everything in this space is well thought through because you can get a glimpse of this when you are upstairs. The dining area is a bit more toned down as compared to the living room. We've used light and neutral finishes, as seen in this 6-seater solid oak wood. I really like how it looks, especially with the very unique leg design. It also really complements the boucle fabric that we have in the armchair. Also, we've added few rustic elements as what you see in the pendant lights and the mirror as well. So just a pro tip, if you want to make a space look larger, mirror is definitely one of my go-to answers because I really like the effect it gives off, and you can appreciate the design and appreciate yourself as well. Once you're done with your meals and you just want to relax, this is a perfect spot to do so, the outdoor lounge area. So now we're in the first floor. This is the informal family lounge. As you can see, we've made the colors a bit dark and moody, also added lots of textures and patterns to it. Because it's a very interactive space, there might be quite messy a little bit, so that's another pro tip to hide all the mess that you want to. This sofa is sectional, so it's easy to reorient if they want to change the arrangement. And my favorite, the bean bag. We really had to put this one, and I'm sure the kids would do anything to get this spot. I really like it because it just really adds a fun element in the space. Now we're in the girls' bedroom. We've used subtle neutral colors and still picking up the beige and tan hues. We've also designed the headboard and everything else in a way that when they grow up, they will still be able to make use of this one and just do a little arrangement. One of the unique features of this space is actually the onyx stone that is incorporated in this table lamp. I really like the effect because it kind of pulls through and just absorbs the light in it. How cute is that? Perfect for girls. This is the boys' bedroom. It has a dark and moody theme with organic and jungle vibe. Actually, this wallpaper was a very bold choice for us, but I'm so glad we did it because even though it looks so busy, the colors just really ties everything in this space. Also, it really complements the faux leather tan headboard that we have here, which you can also see with the poofs. These ones are very stylish. I really like the woven organic pattern. You can also see this one in the accent cushions here. And we've also added a desk that can also serve as a dresser. And this huge mirror just really enlarges the whole space. This is another boys' bedroom, but a brighter overall look. We've combined off-white hues in the cushions and the rugs with a dark faux leather headboard. This is the home office. I love the marble executive desktop, and it's also very unique with its organic shape. Now, on to the next space that will just make you feel and say, wow. This is the master bedroom. It has its own private lounge because it's important to create a separation between the lounge area and the sleeping area. We've actually chose blue as an accent color because we want to bring in some relaxed and nautical vibe. You can see it here in the cushion and in the hand-painted artwork as well. And just to bring more warmth in the space, we've injected that in this TV unit made of solid oak wood. The main feature of the sleeping area is the floor-to-ceiling custom-made headboard that we designed. We actually mix and match different finishes and texture. It doesn't seem too busy because we've just used one uniform color. Also, we've been very creative with this space because we've played around with different patterns and textures that you can see in the cushions, here as well, in the runner, and even in the rug that has a very bold blue color. I always say that there's no harm in playing with different patterns and texture as long as it's well balanced with different neutral colors and finishes, because just look at this space. It's the perfect example of that. That's it, guys. Thank you for joining me for another house tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Asante!